Hi, hello and welcome to our setup guide for your new V4 cart. So first off, thank you all for going ahead and purchasing. Congratulations on the new machine. We got some parts right here that I'm sure no one really knows what to do with. Got small little parts right here. So I'll just go ahead and show you all how to do it. So we got our two main pieces here, our four little pieces. These are gonna go with these four pieces right here. They'll have holes on top and bottom so you'll be able to know which ones are which. We'll have these two, which have the funny poles sticking out on each of them. Then we have three longer poles, and they have two holes on them as well, these three. So I'll start with these, take these three. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and start, make a little triangle out of it. Put these three in. All right, after I put these three in, I make like kind of a triangle formation, one on the left, one on the right, one in the middle. Get the funny looking ones. And I'll put these on here as well. Have them facing down. Then we'll get this piece and it just goes right on top. With the other ones, we'll line these up. All right, now we got the top of the canopy done. We'll just grab some of these screws and we'll just lock this in place. All right, so you'll put 5 screws up top and then 5 screws on the bottom. All right, now that we got this set up, we got 5 screws on top, 5 on bottom. We'll go back to these pieces, these 4. And usually I like to put on the third one, but you have 3 different height adjustments. I like having it stand tall. So I'll just line it up with the hole. I'll take this one right here. Put it through right here, get your little piece to lock it in place. Now I'll do that for the other 3. All right, now that we got these locked in, let's put the last little piece. Make sure it doesn't come out. All right, we're almost done. Once you got these set up, you'll just place them right here. Once you get your canopy on, the actual fabric piece, there will be some Velcro pieces. You'll just want to strap those to the outside poles. There'll be 6 of them, just so that we have our fabric staying on the canopy. And then we're basically done. Now we just put it on the V4, make sure it's locked in place, and we get back to the fun stuff. I got the canopy on. You'll get your last little pieces, your screws. You'll have 4 left. You'll just put them on, just like this. Once you get your side table screwed on right here, it's just an easy lift. Extra space. You'll push both of these to have it come down. Wheel, really simple. Get your wheel and you'll just spin it on directly like this. All right, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and set up the screen for the V4 cart. So you have your 2 posts right here. Get your pieces. Need these 2 pieces, they'll connect like this. These yellow pieces, these plastic pieces just in between. And then I'll just go ahead and put this on. I'm gonna screw it through, but I'm gonna do it loose so that I can still put the screen on. Put the bolt right here. One of the nuts to put on there. I'm just gonna start it so it stays in place a little bit while we put it on. There's that one. Once it's put on, we can move it around to fit the screen, but we'll just have these on so it makes it easier. For this part, this is where it's gonna be a little tricky. I wanna line it up. I'll start with the bottom one. I'm going to unscrew it just a little bit and make sure it hugs this post. And you can do your promotion, or if you have any discounts, any deals, your flavor list, and have your display right here. So now we got our screen set up, our canopy set up, side table, and the wheel. And now we're about ready. That wraps everything up. Ready to start making some gelato and some ice cream.